Oh my gosh, I really do look like a mess right now. I'm so sorry. But I was just I was just editing this video, and it turns out that I deleted the first clip that I took, which luckily wasn't very long. I was just showing you guys a couple of things, like my little skull flower guy right here. He's really cute. This guy right here, he's a little jewelry holder that I got from Target a while back, and he's just been sitting downstairs. He just has like little squirrels on him, but he kind of fits in with the Halloween theme, so I decided to bring him upstairs. And a couple of other things that you guys will see in the rest of the video. So sorry that the first part got deleted or something, but basically in it I just told you that this is going to be a vlog type of video where I decorate my room with you guys with me. So that's what we're doing, that's what we did, and that's what you guys are going to be part of to see now. So thank you guys for being here for day 2 of the 31 days of Halloween that I am doing on my channel. And it kind of fits for Halloween because I look scary right now. Thank you guys, and now we'll get to the part that I actually filmed yesterday. So here I put some twinkly lights inside my little ghost here. I'm just gonna set him down, and once I turn the lights on, I think he's gonna look pretty cool. What I'm really doing is collecting a bundle in one hand, and then I'm just going to shove it inside the ghost. And however it falls, it falls. I'm not gonna mess with it too much. Oh, look at them! That's so cute! Still gotta cut off more stuff. Alright, now I'm going to move on to this section of the bedroom for a little bit. And I'm going to move all of these things. The 2 areas where I usually decorate for stuff for holidays is just my dresser and this little strip right here, because I always look straight at my dresser when I'm on my bed. And then this area usually shows up in the background of my videos, even though I don't think I'm going to be doing that many videos. Just sitting down in my room throughout October, but I still like to have this area, what's the word? Decorated. And in this package, I can't show you guys the address obviously, but if you guys remember from Christmas last year, I had these really cute paper houses, and you put lights on the inside, and they are just so cute, and they fold away for when you're not using them, and I just love it. They're little pop-out paper houses, and they are so cute. This is not sponsored or anything. I haven't seen the lady that I bought this from for a while, but she is so nice. Let me see if I can find her website for you guys. Here we go. Dimensional Paperworks. This lady makes like such cute stuff. Here is my Halloween house set. So cute. And I think I'm just gonna have them all set up right here. I need another cloth. So I have another piece of creepy cloth here, and I cut this off of another DIY that I did that I will show you guys soon. I'm just going to randomly lay it on here. Having it hang off the sides isn't so bad. So that's that. I'm gonna lower you guys so you can see what's going on here. And I've got my little houses here. I'm so excited. I love these little things. So literally all you do, comes flat, unfold it. Holy cannoli. It's so cute. And then there's a little hole on the bottom. So a piece folds out, you stick it into the other, and it holds itself up. How cute is that? Oh, this one has a little chimney to go on top. She also has different designs. She has one that there's like stripes over and everything. It looks very Tim Burton-esque. I wish that I had gotten that one, but it's okay. This one is really cute too. So I'm just gonna stand this up wherever it'll stand. Once again, flat, boom. Ah! I love how easy it is to arrange these guys. And the last one. And the reason why there's little holes down here is because you can put little tea lights in it. I think I might put one of these, yeah, on the other table, because there's not enough space for all of these. My Christmas ones were a little smaller. And I'm gonna take one of my little wall hanging thingies. This one just has a skeleton on it. And it's gonna go right up here. And it goes well with the little houses. Like, do you see the pattern on here? I didn't even plan that, but it works. And my bed is even messier now. But I have this garland that I bought and I totally forgot about. So I think I'm gonna put it over my bed. No. Yes? Maybe? Yes, I'm putting it over my bed. I was just about to put my garland up and then my camera turned off. But like I was saying, my garland is 9 feet and I got it from Michael's. It is just a paper garland, so I don't think it's gonna last very long. It definitely needs to settle because this is like really crinkly, but it'll straighten out over time. Does that look even? I'm just eyeballing it. It might not be totally even. And something smells like it's burning. It's kind of worrying me. I hope it's not my lights. Alright, it's tied up. Then I'm going to put one in the center. The reason why I wanted my little thing up there is because I have this wreath that I also made. Take a look. It's another DIY. And I just want to put that up there. No, just kidding. I don't like it up there. Hey guys, alright. Oh, are you zoomed in? Yeah, you are a little bit. Okay. So, I finished finally decorating and like I fixed my bed, I cleaned everything up. Oh my gosh, I'm missing something. I'll show it to you guys at the end. But here is this area. I have my little skull. I got him from Home Depot. They also come in orange and pink. I don't know if they have anything else, but he is adorable. I have this little light here. I got this from some small business and they made it. I think it cost like 60 bucks. Which is expensive, but it was worth it because it was for Ernie as a Christmas present. I have my ghosts here. I think they look absolutely adorable. My little cat guy, he deserves something here, but I don't know what to put there yet. Little pumpkin, little skull. He already stopped working. His lights aren't working anymore, so I don't know what to do about that. But here's the little house. Right next to it, I have my coffin. And behind them, I have my skull. So cute, absolutely adorable. A little owl from the dollar store. This little guy, this is actually an incense thingy set. Love it. And when the incense is going, like smoke pours out of the little holes and it looks so cool. I have my little jewelry thing here, and it's actually holding some jewelry and stuff. My wedding rings, some other random rings, everyday earrings, things like that. And my Nightmare Before Christmas snow globe. It's absolutely adorable. Here, let me show you guys. So there's this area as... Can you stop? Alright. So there's this area as a whole. I think it's so cute. I love it. This little spot needs a little bit of something. So I'm gonna need something for here and something for up there. And I also have this area here. I love these little houses so much. I just think they're so freaking cute. And I have my little guy in his coffin up there. I think he's adorable too. I love Halloween, you guys. I love it. Oh, I forgot to put them down. See? These, look at them. Hold on. You need a home. Okay, no. I'm gonna put them away. They're gonna go back, but look at how cute they are. Little steampunk bride and groom. Ernie's parents got this for us when we got married. I think they're absolutely adorable. I love them. I'm gonna put them back in their home. They're always up here. Try to keep them safe because they are ceramic or porcelain or something, but they are very fragile. So like I was saying, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below if you have not already. Keep up with all of the 31 days of Halloween videos. Tomorrow we start DIYs and they're gonna be so fun. Oh my gosh, I forgot again. Unfortunately, my bedroom isn't very spooky. Well, no. Unfortunately, my bed set isn't very spooky. But I have this one little pillow that I made that's a little spooky. Ain't he cute? It's also made with that creepy cloth stuff. And I think I need another one. I need another one to pair him with. But yeah, that is everything so far. Once again, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up down below. Also, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification button so that you can keep up with all of the 31 days of Halloween videos. There's gonna be one every day, you guys. Pray for me because I need it. Alright, thank you guys so much again for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye!